How awesome. Here we are.
She could drive the bed of fire in the kitchen stove. Emma made a skirt out of her
Sterling
blanket,
in.
clothes out of the heat. So she stayed overnight here. Oh, wow.
That's pretty cool.
So my husband, we have several,
So we're staying at the inn where Grandma Wood stayed after she crossed the Kennebec.
Frame that part. And then
Pretty cool.
take
It's in the book.
page
Check that out.
off.
I feel bad I didn't do enough video of the Sterling Inn. I should have done more video of that where Grandma Gatewood actually stayed. How cool is that?
Fun fact.
Yeah. Alright guys. We are on Pleasant Pond Mountain. We're not really at the summit yet. I think it's somewhere over there. I gotta go down and up. We only walked a half a mile, even though it said 2/10 to get to the summit. We're nowhere near the summit yet. Still a 10th away. It was about a half a mile ago. And well, I guess we will see. Let's check it out. I don't know if they're going to have a sign for this one or not. We're moving around. Ah, check you out. That was cool. See the grouse? Grouse tried to scare me. His nest must be in there. Ah, grousey grouse. That was a perfect capture too, wasn't it? That was awesome. There you go.
Did you lay an egg on the way by so we can have some breakfast?
Grousey grouse. All right, grousey grouse.
They blend in so well.
Yeah. So much for the 2/10, man. It was like 4/10, almost a half a mile away. Here we are. Pleasant Pond Mountain. Kind of a wooded summit due to its height. Alright. We have whatever was up here at one other time. Could have been a tower, more than likely. So I have my Moxie I can drink at the Moxie Pond. Little pleasant mountain view. That little thing over there. So we should. It's a little. We can't do it today. Today's a little too cloudy. Should be able to see Caratunk through there, but the clouds are covering it. It's all right. We'll see it again. All right, so this is Moxie Pond. And we gotta just shoot up the road here, get around the pond and back in the woods again. Widening the power grid. Maine's doing a good job of creating power for everybody but themselves. Way to go, Maine. All right. Little dock right there. All right, guys, fun fact out here. I'm on Moxie Pond. As you can see, back behind me here. How's that look? See it better? Good. Moxie Pond. And you can't go on Moxie Pond without a Moxie. Everybody from New England knows this, I guess. All right, we don't really have it in my area, New Jersey, even though it's made by Coca-Cola Bottling Company. It's really sold here in Maine and New Hampshire is where I've seen it, but gotta say, do as the Mainers do. Yeah. It's kind of a twist on maybe a Dr. Pepper, maybe a little cherry there. Little Frane Branca. Everybody knows that one. It's got a slight medicinal, but it's just a cola. Distinctively different. Yes, it is. Frane, you know, the Moxie, it's definitely distinctively different. When in Maine, and you're on Moxie Pond, you stupidly pack out an extra 12 ounces with you and have yourself a nice cold Moxie. Look at this old place with the fern roof. You never know what you find out here. It might be a rock. All right. Oh, 200 yards, man. That's a nice little distance up. Oh, I don't think it's running. Definitely not. Hold on, guys. Oh, yeah. All right. Is it moving too? Anyway, we will check it out. Here's the shelter. All right.
We did.
We made it.
I thought you were going to carry on to the next one.
Eggs is here.
I thought about it. And I was like, 1,300 foot. I didn't want to go up that next.
So this is how we go and get water. When the water is so low. See that leaf? It's slippery up here too. Very slippery. See that leaf in the rock? Makes that water flow like that. Otherwise it would just drip so far down in that crevice there we wouldn't be able to get it. Then we could put the CNOC there. Now I can collect the water. See that? Otherwise the water would drip so far back into the crevice you can't get to it. So, the old leaf and the rock trick. But, there we go. And we got a full bag. Full CNOC. Alright guys. That's how we gather our water. Well, we also could dip. Like over here, we could like just move the leaves and stuff out of the way and just dip there where the water's kind of running. That works too. It's clean, it's clear, and it's filtered anyway. So when we put it in our bottles, it filters through that filter there in my pocket. All right, see you in a bit.